welcome back to Epilepsy Thursdays. I'm Casey and accept epilepsy. So throughout the month of April, we are talking about exercises that can help you stay fit. Today I am talking about your midriff portion as to how can you do that. तो हाँ जी, हम आज पेट के बारे में, सांसों के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. तो अप्रैल का पूरा महीना हम एक्सरसाइजेस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और हम कोई भी सवाल नहीं ले रहे क्योंकि हमारे पास उतना वक्त नहीं है. So big shout out to the sponsors of the month, that is Insta Gourmet. मैं उनका अभी मल्टीग्रेन दलिया porridge पकड़ के खड़ी हूँ. It's extremely easy to make, especially after you have had a seizure. So yes, do check it out, and all the links are in the description box. And if you use my special code, that is EWQ15OFF, Epilepsy Warrior Queen 15 off, then you get a flat 15% discount. That's right. So let's begin. Today we begin with squats as promised. Like last time I told you that I'll be talking more about squats when we were doing the arm exercises. So let's begin with that. Now what are squats? For that I have to adjust the camera lens a bit. Yes. Now you basically, squats are going down. Yes, so you can keep doing that to strengthen your muscles. So these muscles get tightened and strengthened. हाँ जी, आपके ये muscles जो होते हैं वो workout होते हैं जब आप squatting करते हैं. तो अगर चाहे तो आप इस पोजीशन में रुक भी सकते हैं, हाथों का कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. कि जैसे मैंने कहा, मैं स्क्वाट करके ये वाला एक्सरसाइज मुझे पसंद है करना क्योंकि दोनों चीज़ें वर्कआउट होती है. ये भी वर्कआउट होता है और हाथ भी वर्कआउट होता है. सो आई लाइक डूइंग दैट, बट इट इज़ एंटायरली अप टू यू एज टू what you like and what you prefer. So the squats can go deeper. Yes, they can begin with the first position, that is legs together. You can start dipping like this और धीरे धीरे पैर अपने फैलाते जाइए. So you can go like really deep as well. So that is a really good thing. मैं अभी थोड़ा दूर जाने वाली हूँ और आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ कि आप कितने नीचे डीप जा सकते हैं. I'm just gonna go further back. My voice not be audible, but you will be able to see how deep can you go. So yes. Now the trick of doing this is not just your muscles. The trick is from your midriff. So you have to find your center. You have to find your center in your midriff. You have to balance yourself from the midriff. So when you go down, you have to balance yourself at the midriff. I mean, even though I was standing on the sand and not my yoga mat, which I'm standing on right now, I could balance because of the midriff. So make sure that this is strengthened as well. Like the muscles are not loose, but tight. So you have to make that sure. Before we head on to our next exercise, a big shout out to Insta Gourmet, the porridge that I'm holding on to, multigrain porridge. आपले नगरचेच आहेत, so do check them out. आणि तुम्ही जर का माझा स्पेशल कोड वापरलात EWQ 15 OFF 0FF नाही OFF 15 OFF तर तुम्हाला फ्लॅट 15% डिस्काउंट मिळेल. So moving on to the next exercise, it's very simple. The side lunges. Come on, we all have seen it on TV. Spread your legs and bend one side of your knee. So you just lunge. You can also lunge this way. So you're facing one side and then you're lunging. Facing the other side and lunge. So even this is possible, but this is important as well because these muscles will start hurting. अगर आपके ये वाले मसल्स दर्द करने लगते हैं, ये वाला साइड वाला करके, तो आप सही कर रहे हैं. लेकिन अगर कोई भी और मसल दर्द करने लगे तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं. ये अंदर के मसल्स दर्द करने चाहिए जब आप लंजेस करते हैं तब. अगर म्यूज़िक के साथ करते हैं तो मज़ा ज़्यादा आता है. Obviously if you enjoy and play the music that you like, it is fun to do this. You don't need to go deeper. I mean, start with whatever is comfortable to you. आपकी जो comfort level है वहाँ से शुरू कीजिए. Directly अरे बाप रे नीचे जा रहे तो हमें भी नीचे इतना deep जाना चाहिए, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. जो आपकी comfort level है वहाँ से शुरुआत कीजिए. अगर आपकी comfort level खाली इतनी है कोई बात नहीं. फ़िलहाल मैं ऐसे शेप में हूँ कि मैं ज़्यादा नीचे नहीं जा सकती क्योंकि मेरा हैमस्ट्रिंग मैंने इंजर किया है, तो मैं ज़्यादा नीचे तक नहीं जा सकती फ़िलहाल लंजेस करते वक्त, स्पेशली साइड लंजेस में मैं ज़्यादा नीचे नहीं जा सकती. इट्स फाइन. जितना हो सकता है उतना कीजिए, जितना हो सकता है. इट नीड नॉट बी, देयर इज़ नो कॉम्पिटिशन. दिस इज़ फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ. रिमेंबर दिस. You are not competing against anybody, but it's just for your own fitness. So just keep that in mind and work out whenever you do work out. And me being a dancer, I just add a groove to it to make it fun. I also add another hand exercise to it just to make it fun. So I'm going to show that to you as well. So you can add any type of a variation to it. You can just add any type of a soundtrack to this and just keep going. So go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and okay, the sand is giving way. It's better if you do it on a hard floor and not on the beach like I'm trying to do. So yes, this was not a good choice to record videos. on. But anyway, before we move on to our next exercise, yet again a big shout out to Instagourmet multigrain porridge. That is what I'm holding right now. And what does it have? It has wheat म्हणजे गहू, rice तांदूळ, रागी म्हणजे नाचणी, green gram मूग, बाजरा, अजवाइन को मराठी में क्या कहते हैं? Don't even ask me what the English word is because I really don't know when it comes to food grains. But owa and sesame, that is til. So it is like, you can see the ingredients behind, and it's really healthy and simple to make. So do try it out. आणि जर का तुम्ही माझा स्पेशल कोड वापरलात EWQ150FF तर तुम्हाला फ्लॅट 15% डिस्काउंट मिळतो. Amazon वरून ऑर्डर केलं तर. Okay. So yes, the next exercise that I'm going to show you are upward stretches. Now what are upward stretches? Reach out to the sky. Now to do that, you have to reach upwards as much as possible. Not just stretch your arms, but literally feel the tension in your stomach. So you reach out and loosen up. Reach out and loosen up. So reach out and loosen up. Reach out and loosen up. As I said, you can add music to it and everything becomes fun. Now reach out to the side as well, so this side starts hurting. Wow, I'm really screaming now. So just reach out and back. Reach out. This portion needs to hurt, nothing else. And back. आपका केवल जब आप ये कर रहे हैं तब केवल ये पोर्शन आपका दर्द होना चाहिए, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं. अगर बाकी कुछ दर्द हो रहा है तो आप एक्सरसाइज गलत कर रहे हैं. प्लीज़ ये ध्यान में रखें. If while stretching this way, this portion is getting hurt, then yes, you're doing it right. But if anything else is hurting, then you're not doing the exercise correctly, because this needs to hurt. This needs to be stretched. Now, again, when you go down, is the same exercise. Rather than reaching up, you're going down. But it's the same exercise. So this portion, ये वाला जो भाग है वो दर्द करना चाहिए. अगर वो दर्द नहीं कर रहा है और कुछ अलग दर्द कर रहा है तो आप एक्सरसाइज गलत कर रहे हैं. Yes. So before we head on to our last exercise that I'm going to show you, which is going to help us in our next video, but before that, yet again, a big shout out to Instagourmet multigrain porridge, and if you use my code EWQ150FF, then you get flat 15% discount. The details are in the description box. But now I'm gonna change the view of this. Hi, welcome back. So for our last exercise that I'm going to show you, which is going to help us in the next segment are the foot exercises, but I've already covered them up in my very first warm-up video, yet I'm going to show it to you yet again. So you point, flex, point, down, point, flex, point, down. Now how does this help our stomach? Well, when you're balancing on your foot, the foot is not supposed to take the tension. जब आप एक पैर पे खड़े होते हैं तब दूसरे पैर ने पूरा टेंशन नहीं लेना है, आपके स्टमक ने वो टेंशन लेना है. तो ये जो स्टमक के मसल्स है वो हमें टाइट करने हैं. You have to tighten the stomach muscles when you are standing on your foot. So the other foot is not supposed to take all the tension, but your stomach is supposed to take the tension, so that you can find your center and you can balance. You just have to find your center, that's it. And that's how we are going to wrap up by one last quickie exercise, which is, it is also used, I mean it is a yoga exercise, but as I said, there are exercises. Yoga is a form of exercise which is really good for our health as well. This is pulling your stomach in and letting it go. Pull in and let it go. But while doing that, yes, there are many yoga gurus and instructors out there who will tell you to stop breathing, but I'm against that personally. No offense to any of the yoga instructors out there, but you know, this is what happens. But I'm personally against holding your breath, because you will finally go out of it. So rather than holding your breath, just tighten your stomach muscles and let them go. I'm just going to come closer to you so that you know what I'm talking about. Tighten the stomach muscles and let them go. Tighten, go. Tighten, go. Tighten, go. Now you can do this in a variation, so you can go like whichever side you want. So yeah, that helps, but you're not supposed to stop breathing. You're just supposed to tighten your muscles and let them go. Tighten and let them go. Tighten and let them go. Now, these muscles will start hurting. But अगर ये मसल छोड़ के आपकी पीठ दर्द करने लगती है, तो जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी कहा है, आप ये एक्सरसाइज गलत कर रहे हैं. तो हमें खाली टाइट और लूज, टाइट और लूज, टाइट और लूज. तो पेट अंदर लेना है, टाइट करना है और छोड़ देना है. You just have to pull your stomach inside and let it go. Inside and let it go. Inside and let it go. So I like to do again, I like to I prefer combining exercises rather than just doing one thing at a time, because as a person with epilepsy, we really do not have so much time as to dedicate an entire hour, or we don't have the strength to dedicate an entire hour for our physical strength and needs. So I like to combine them. So whenever I tighten, again I use my hand exercises. So I tighten and let loose, 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 tighten and let loose. So yeah, I keep using my hands when I'm not doing anything, it's just some kind of exercise. I use my hands. And isn't it always nice to, kind of multitask? I like that. So anyway, till next Thursday, stay strong, keep fighting. We just have to keep fighting. Nevertheless, stay happy, stay golden.